Hello. This is my DBGA soldering machine. With this machine we can remove BGA chip. This will be a BGA chip, or this one, which will we remove today. I'm using my mobile phone. There will be bad quality, but I cannot do anything about this. This is BGA machine. It's got 5 bottom heaters, 5 times 500 watt. This is 2.5 kilowatt, and there is this one here. This will be upper heater, is 400 watts, and there is a fan when we are finished. It is integrated soldering iron and hot breeze gun. For now there is only one controller. It's for the bottom heating, and it's enough. For upper heater I use manual control. This is this one here, and I check the temperature here on this instrument. It says it's 25. Here it says 21. It's not correct, neither than one, but it's somewhere like here. It's not important for a few degrees Celsius. This is nothing. This one here is a top heater temperature sound. You see, here is the cable, and going here under the upper heater. You can see it if you know about what I'm talking now. And yes, we can try to remove this chip. So we will set the bottom heating on 240 degrees. The sensor is just on the heater, on this one. You can see it. You can see this little wire just put on the heater. Now we will use 4 heaters. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be enough for this size board. It's just leaded soldering, one old board that is used just for the testing purposes. So we will start here on these switches. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 heater, setting temperature 200 and yes, 240 we will set. And we will start a stopwatch on the PC computer. Yes, here, this light. Okay. Now the temperature is rising. Let's see how. It's rising at 60 degrees. 70. Now we'll start the oscillation. It's half a minute. Okay, we have oscillations. Start and stop. It's 107 degrees. Upper heater is shut down right now. Now we will start it, and on the full power, maximum, here, yes, and we will watch for the changes here on the upper heater. Yes, it's rising. We will look on the watch. It's 1 minute 15. Yes, it's rising. Let's see here. 133, heating, stop it. You can hear it heating, stop it. Yes. Okay, let's see the chip. Nothing to see right now. Let's try to zoom it a little bit. You see, the flux is starting to melt and is going under the chip. It's 2 minutes or 5. Now we will turn off the upper heater. There is no need for him now. It's 80, around 80, and it's rising. It's 2 minutes 30. 2 minutes 30, 177. Here is 91. 2 minutes 40. We will continue to hit maximum power from the upper side. Here it's still rising. It's 3 minutes now. We are 103 or 4. On the down heater you are near 200. Yes, near 200. 112, 13, 14, 15. It's around 3.5 minutes from the start now. Here we are 211 and it's rising. 223 and it's still rising. 230. We are 3 minutes 45 seconds now. Here we look for 140. This is okay. Stop it. Here is 227. 230. Okay. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay. Now we will continue to rise again at maximum power. This is like a breathing machine. Temperature is changing. It's 240, 41. Here we are 162. We are looking for the 183. We will hit it until that. It's 4 minutes 50 seconds. Yes, there is smoke here. Maybe you can see it. Maybe you can see it. The chip is smoking. Yes, smoking. Here we are still 143, 183. Stop the heater. Look on the chip. It's 5 minutes 20 seconds. 5 minutes 20 seconds. Yes. Okay. Now we will turn one more time. We will look for 200. 200 is temperature which is okay to remove the chip. We here have a little overshot of 9 degrees. This is okay, it's correctly. Temperature is rising, the chip is smoking. I don't know if you can see it, maybe from longer distance. Okay, here we are. We are 202, 303. We are on 6 minutes. Chip must be melted now. Yes, it's completely loose. We will stop the bottom heating, remove it, and we will remove the chip. Yes. Now there is a lot of smoking, if you can see it. Maybe we little overdo it. Yes, the chip is fall down. This is not important. It's an old chip, old board. Yes. Now we will start the fan, and we will cool down the station. We will turn off temperature, but the heaters is off. This is not important. You can see how the temperature is dropping now. This is from here. Yes. Okay. We are 107, 6, 5, 4. It's going down rapidly. Okay. This is it. Thank you very much.